Hello, 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 everybody. Chef Bornergy back in reality. Now, today I found out some devastating news when Taco Bell takes out the Fritos from the beefy Frito burrito. That is a huge epidemic. Not only, ladies and gentlemen, did they take out the Frito burrito, which was cheaper than the beefy burrito, but they take out the Fritos from the beefy burrito and call it the beefy burrito and raise the price. So you know what I did, folks? I raised the ante. Okay. Taco Bell introducing the beefy salchicha crunch. This contains jalapeno and cheese Cheetos, turkey sausage, delicious, and all the rest of the goodness from Taco Bell. Not only yours, but truly yours. Have a nice day.